Welcome to Summit 2023. My name is Subbu Iyer, CEO at Aerospike. It's my pleasure to join you today, and thanks to all our customers and partners for believing in us and supporting us. And last year, our mission as unleashing the power of the world's real-time data. And we've been executing on a strategy to provide a multi-model, multi-cloud real-time data platform over the last year. You'll hear a lot about this when the rest of the team shares the announcements and the exciting innovation that we have made available for you over the course of the last year. Now, there's no doubt that it's been a long year. One of the significant milestones and the progress that has happened is really the progress in AI. And that has really excited people's imaginations on the possibilities and the future of applications and possibilities with AI across every industry. You saw the slide when Ashwin talked to you, but there have been significant milestones over the last 40 years, just looking at the recent history of AI to get us to this point. And undeniable that AI is fueling a huge wave of innovation across every industry, thanks to essentially the possibilities that people have recognized with AI. And this is touching pretty much every industry, whether that's agriculture, healthcare, supply chain, telecom, across the board. In fact, at Aerospike, we've been fortunate that we've had a front seat to some of this journey thanks to our customers adopting Aerospike as part of their AI and ML pipelines. Here are 4 examples of customers who use us as part of their AI ML pipelines. Wayfair, the entire recommendation engine is powered by Aerospike. At PayPal, we run the fraud analysis and the fraud prevention for PayPal. At one of the top 3 global brokerages, we help run real-time risk assessment for them. And then at Sony Interactive Entertainment, we power the feature store that provides personalized recommendations. The common factor in all of this you'll see is the applications are business critical and they actually deliver significant business outcomes to each of these customers. Let's hear from a specific customer, Guy Dasa at Dataminer, who's the SVP of Engineering at Dataminer, an AI company.
My name is Guy Dasa. I am Senior Vice President of Engineering at Dataminer. Dataminer is an AI company focusing on real-time event and risk detection. Dataminer is monitoring more than 500,000 sources of data in real time and using AI, looking for patterns and looking for newsworthy events that our customers are interested in that would allow them to take action really fast to protect their people and their assets. We went into a hyper growth mode and we needed to scale. We needed to scale beyond in-memory operations, and we needed a solution that would allow us to process a massive amounts of messages every second and add millions of labels every second and do that at ultra low latency so that we can continue and stay a real-time event detection company. Thanks to the Aerospike platform that we're able to increase the scope and the size of the messages that we are processing every second. And that allows us to expand our business use cases to more avenues and be able to identify newsworthy events in more types of data.
So as you heard from Guy there on that video, what drove the choice for Dataminer to pick Aerospike was the need for massive scale and ultra low latency. Now, if you look at AI today, this is a very simplistic slide that I have here to show how AI is being used and deployed within most organizations. There's a lot of offline learning happening. So there is data which is being ingested at scale in real time. This could be company data, it could be global contextual data, all of which comes together into an Aerospike data platform. And then that feeds an offline learning model. And once the model computes the key set of features, those features are populated back into the Aerospike data platform that then drives the real-time decisioning that is happening on the right-hand side of the slide. Now, there's one challenge in there that there is a offline learning model and there's an online decisioning system which powers the decisions that are happening. So depending in most customer situations, we see there is a lag of either a day or a couple of days between the offline learning model and the online decisioning system. So this is a significant challenge, and we believe where AI needs to go really is into adopting continuous learning. And the way to do that is really adopt real-time data to feed the learning engine on a continual basis. So again, as the previous slide, you have transactional data, which is company data. You combine that or augment that with contextual data, feed that into an Aerospike data platform, and then also feed it into your learning engine, compute the features in real time, and feed it back into the data platform and help that drive real-time decisioning that is really as real-time as possible. What happens, the benefits for most companies here is real-time data adds context and accuracy, resulting in better decisions. Now, this is not possible with most other data platforms. So for the age of AI and to be able to do that, you need a data platform that is massively scalable and can support, as you heard from Guy, ultra-low latencies. And this is what Aerospike has been doing for several years and is being deployed by customers specifically for unlimited scale, low latency, always on, and the lowest cost that is available from a data platform. So we really need to rethink the needs for the underlying infrastructure platform for the age of AI. And Aerospike is perfectly fit for these particular use cases. Today, it's my pleasure to announce Aerospike Graph. As you look at graphs are fit really well for inferencing and also for providing context. When we see the graph solutions that are available in the market out there, they have a limit from a scalability perspective. So a lot of our customers are building their own graphs offline and then deploying them on Aerospike to get the benefits of scale, latency, and availability that Aerospike provides. So available today, Aerospike Graph will be massively scalable. We support billions of vertices, each with thousands of edges. Real-time performance with hundreds of thousands of queries per second with sub 5 millisecond latency for multi-hop queries. Along with that, you get the benefit of the lowest TCO. Also, the ability to independently scale compute and storage. You'll hear a lot more about this from Lenli, who's a Chief Product Officer, and Ishan Biswas, who's a Product Manager for the Graph product later on today. As we look forward, we see that as organizations are adopting AI and fueling new class of applications, they are taking in large language models, augmenting it with their own data sets for more accuracy, high fidelity, and also competitive advantages. And a lot of cases, they are storing these in vector databases. And we are basically announcing today that we will be releasing support for vector databases shortly. You'll hear some more from Lenli when he comes on board here in a short while, but this should be available in a short time from Aerospike. In summary, AI changes everything. AI needs to incorporate real-time data for context, accuracy, and better decisions. And this demands a real-time data platform that provides limitless scale, low latency, and high performance like Aerospike does. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this summit.